Hi friends, I'm here to tell you about your math choices for today. As usual, we're going to start with our workbook. Okay, so for your must-do activities going across the top, your practice pages. So unfortunately, practice is in the crease. So practice 4-2, comparing numbers to 5. So for this activity, this whole page is your kind of your activity. So for each one, you're going to count your objects and then write the number. And for each one, you're going to do that. Excuse me. When you're done, you're going to circle only the numbers here that are less than 5. So only the numbers that are less than 5. Right? That's what you do at the end after you've counted everything up and written the numbers down. Okay? Your second must-do activity is also practice, but it's practice 4-3. And this says comparing numbers to 10. And on this one, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 frames with objects on them. You're going to look at these 10 frames and decide which of them have objects that are fewer than 10. So look at each one. If it's fewer than 10, circle it. You can circle the whole thing. You can circle just the exercise number. I'm going to leave that up to you, but circle something so that I know you know which ones have fewer. If you know which ones have fewer, you're going to also know which ones have more. So that is your another practice activity out of your workbook, and that's it for the workbook. So we'll put that down. Then in your packet, so I'm going to close it for 1 minute. In your packet, you're going to do gingerbread comparing numbers. Okay. So when you're looking at the choice board, that little square has a link. And that's because if you click on that link, it shows you how to play the game with pictures and everything. So make sure you do that. But you're going to need this page. Now there's a little bit of a difference. Just I'm going to show you. This one is talking about less. It says, in each pair, color the cookie with a number that is less. But when you click on that page, you're also going to be using some counters to help you figure that out. I really want you to do that part just for the practice of it. The second page you need for this activity is the one that has greater. So you're going to be circling the one that's greater. And then here is the part. You're going to use these cards. There are 2 sets of these, so cut them all out. These cards are actually going to be used for 2 activities, one today, one tomorrow. Cut them all out, and you're going to use them for this activity, your third must-do activity. So click on the slide and it'll show you how you use those. All right, and save them for next time. And then going across the bottom, your choice activities, your first one is gingerbread comparing numbers boom cards. I love these boom cards. And the reason why I love these boom cards is because there is a lady telling you what to do for each page. So you don't have to have somebody read it. You don't have to try to figure it out. As you go, she tells you what to do next. And if you need to repeat it, you can click the little speaker. She'll say it again. I just love them. I wish I made them. But anyway, you get to use those. And then your next choice activity, your number room's 10. And then your last choice activity is you're going to use your clever badge for the first time. Now this is a clever badge with the name blocked out, but yours will have a QR with your name. I just sent new ones home that are like a greenish color, I believe. So find those. You find that you'll need it for this activity. What you do is you're going to click on that little block. It says eSpark. Click on eSpark. It'll take you to the Clever login page. It's going to ask you if you want to sign in using your login, your Clever badge. That's this. Say yes. Click yes. And then it might ask you to, if your camera can if it can use your camera to access things, say yes. And then you'll hold it up. And it's going to take you right to the Clever website where you can pick our class. I'm going to say Mrs. Skiffington's class, I believe it says. Click on that. And then right there on the bottom says eSpark. Okay. Click on eSpark. It takes you to this fun math activity page. Some assignments were put in there for you guys. So give it a try. And Let me know what you think. I hope you like it because we're going to be using more of these. But yeah, you'll need your clever badge for that. And that's it. Have a nice day.